A foundation chain is often used to start a flat piece or an oval piece. Beginning with a slip knot in this video, we'll show you how to make a foundation chain step by step. First step is to make a slip knot. Wrapped around your fingers for tension control. Then hold your crochet hook in your right hand and keep the hook in position. Ensure the hook is facing upwards or slightly towards you. Yarn over and pull the yarn through the loop on your hook. You now have one chain stitch on your hook. This is the start of your foundation chain. Remember to put a stitch marker into the first stitch of the chain. Next, repeat and make a desired length, same with the pattern. Yarn over again and pull the yarn through the loop on your hook. To minimize the chance of twisting your chain by constantly moving your left hand to hold the chain as close as possible to the hook. Okay, here's a chain with 13 stitches in it that I just made. We can see each chain stitch makes a V shape. Count the number of chain stitches you have. It's also important to keep in mind that when you're counting chain stitches, you shouldn't count the slip knot that you made at the beginning of your chain as a chain stitch. If you were making the next row with single crochet stitches, the first stitch you make will be in the second chain from the hook. This is because the chain that you skipped gives the first single crochet stitch its height. Finally, I will show you how to work into a foundation chain. You may work under 1 or 2 strands of chain loops. As shown above, either of these methods forms an even firm bottom edge. You may like to work into the back bar on the back of the chain. This forms an even stretchy bottom edge that is ideal for garments. Thanks for watching and happy crocheting!